Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate and aeronautical graduate. Name of the company is Boeing India. So type Boeing India career in Google and give a search. You'll be getting following result. So you have to choose search India jobs at Boeing. Once you click, you'll be directed to the official website of the company. So here you need to choose view jobs. Click on it, so that you can get almost 231 result. So if you want to filter, means you can make use of the filter. So when you scroll down, you can see various job opportunities, the entry level technical illustrator. So once you click on it, you can see the opportunity, and job location is in Chennai. So they innovate and collaborate and make the world a better place. So regarding the company and details, they are given clearly, and you have to create a diagram and illustration to explain the difficult concept, and you must have skills on isometric and orthographic drawing. So you need to work with the project team, subject matter experts, and you need to do the other duties which are assigned to you, and you should be a team player. The basic qualification is you must have B or BTech in aeronautical, mechanical, aircraft maintenance, and AME is preferable. A knowledge of MS Word will be preferred. A knowledge on 3D software such as AutoCAD, CATIA, SolidWorks, Pro E will be an added advantage. So other qualifications are you need to have an equal education, whatever they said here. And other responsibilities is you need to create the diagram and illustrate and explain everything, and these things we saw earlier. And you must possess excellent communication skill, both written and verbal, and you must review the content for technical, grammatical, and style guide complaints. So just scroll down, and it's a equal opportunity will be given under without any discrimination. You can just click apply and apply for this job. So next one is, when you go back, you can see associate data engineer in Bangalore. So you see here, entry level manufacturing engineer, click on it. The same job location will be in Chennai. So same thing only, but responsibilities alone differ, and you need to modify the installation plan, and you need to participate in implementation of manufacturing plan, and you need to support the development and implementation. You have to support on development, identification, and implementation of concepts, and you have to participate in lean principle and technologies. So basic skills is you must have 0 to 2 years of experience in aerospace industry, or knowledge of aerospace manufacturing and operation. You must have basic skills with CATIA and NX modeling softwares. Preferably you must be having 4 years of B or BTech in mechanical, aeronautical, production engineering. So you will be having an option to apply. Just click on apply and apply for this job. The next one is associate equipment and tool engineer. Just click on that, and job location is in Karnataka. So basic qualification is bachelor degree or higher is required, and you must be well versed in design and modification, and expertise in computer design, tool and system. Candidate must be a self-starter with positive and high ethics and track recording. If you willing, means you just click on apply now and apply for this job. Once you click apply, you will be asking they will be asking the mail ID and password. If you already registered, means use the mail ID and password and apply for the job. If not, means create an account. So for creating an account, you need to give all your basic details. Once the account is created, means you can directly apply for the job by using the mail ID and password. So kindly, if you feel this video is useful, means kindly share the video to all mechanical and aeronautical people. They will be making the best use of it, and kindly support us by subscribing and sharing the video to job seekers. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.